Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn logarithm equation. We're going to let log 100 0.001 to be equals to x. Since the log is having base of 100 0.001, then we have 100 as per x is equals to 0.001. Secondly, let's convert 100. Let's find the index of 100 and convert this one in standard form. You convert 100 raised by x in standard form, we'll have 10 raised power 2x. This is equals to, convert 0.001 in standard form, you will get 10 raised power minus 3, because 1 over 1000, because there is no 2-digit number here. Here will be 10 raised power minus 3. Then since the equation is equal, therefore we have 2x is equals to minus 3. We divide both sides by the coefficient of 2, here by 2. Therefore x is equals to minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. That is how we can solve this. Let's solve the next one. We let log 0.2 log base 0.225 to be equals to y. Then we can say this log, we can say 0.2. We can convert 0.2 as fraction. Here we have 2 over 10. 2 over 10 y is equals to 25. Let's reduce the fraction into the lowest term. We have y over 10. This is equals to 25. Y over 5. We reduce in it to the lowest term. Here we have 5 raised power minus y is equals to 5 raised power 2. Therefore, minus y is equals to 2. We are not having the value of minus y is equals to 2. We can multiply 2 by the negative. We have y is equals to minus 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.